Here's a card that I made with the beautiful new Simply Zinnias suite. And this is one of our new online exclusives, and I just got this stamp set and all of the stuff to go with it, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. So what I did here is I did a fold that I've done before, but when you just use different papers, it just totally changes the card. So that's that beautiful Blackberry Bliss cardstock, and then there is one of the prints of the new Zinnia paper. Now look at that embossing folder. Isn't this beautiful? It has all those zinnias in the folder, and so I just embossed that white piece and we'll layer it on for a little bit of texture. And then all we are going to do is just lay that other piece on top and add a sentiment. Now I'm going to have all the measurements and close-up pictures on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and then I'll also have a link on there for another layout that I did with some of the paper from Celebration. And you can see just two totally different looks except with the exact same card layout. It's kind of fun to have a layout in your back pocket so you know you can pull it out anytime and just change it up a little bit and you'll have a whole new look. Isn't that coming along beautifully? And we'll just add some gems and then it'll be done. Thanks so much for following along. I hope that you'll check out my website and look at this card and share it with your friends. Have a wonderful day.